In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your invoices, sales receipts, and estimates in QuickBooks Online. This is a handy feature that can help you tailor your financial documents to better represent your brand, ensuring that your business communication stands out and remains consistent with your overall design aesthetics. To get started, it's as simple as locating the gear icon at the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This little cogwheel is your gateway to all the settings you need to fine-tune your QuickBooks experience. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, what you're looking for is the option listed as Custom Form Styles. Let's delve into that page a bit. Here, you'll encounter an overview of all the custom form styles you've previously created. This section acts as your personal library of styles, allowing you to manage and edit them whenever necessary. But let's say you're starting afresh and need to craft a brand new style. Simply navigate to the top right corner of your current view, where you'll find the New Style button. Just one click, and you're on your way to making a new, personalized template. The next decision in your customization journey involves choosing what type of document you'd like to create. You'll be presented with the options for invoices, estimates, and sales receipts. By clicking on your form of choice, you'll be ushered into the editing screen, and this is where the magic happens. The editing screen is your canvas. Here, you can tweak and adjust several elements to ensure that the final output aligns perfectly with your company's image. Play around with layouts, colors, fonts, and any other available features to give each form your personal or brand touch. A little tip here. Remember to stay consistent with the colors and fonts you choose. Consistency helps create a professional and polished look. Once you've fine-tuned your design to perfection, all that's left is to click Done. Your new style is now at your disposal. You'll find that when you're generating transactions in QuickBooks Online, whether it be invoices, estimates, or sales receipts, you can now opt to use the custom style you've just created right from the transaction options. This integration saves you time and effort every time you make a new financial document. And there you have it. Customizing your QuickBooks Online forms is a straightforward process that, once set up, can greatly enhance the professionalism of your business correspondences. Thank you for tuning in, and happy customizing.